Happy day. I'm handling food microbiology for first BSc R&D. So the topic is microorganisms and its qualities. So basically there are different kind of microorganisms which are available in the environment. For example, a lot of bacteria, fungus, yeast, mold, and also some kind of protozoas and E. coli. And these microorganisms has specific qualities, I would say. Each and every microorganism has a specific quality. So first thing is, let's take an example of bacteria. Like I have mentioned there, each and every microorganism has two phases, like one side is a good side and another side is a bad side. So in our term we say good side as the beneficial side and the bad side as the harmful side. So each and every microorganism has the two phases, like good and bad, that is also called as beneficial and harmful side. So what does the beneficial side of the bacteria will do to human beings? So first of all, lot of food products were produced using through microorganisms. For example, let's take an example of wine and also idli batter, some kind of cheeses and some alcoholic beverages like wine, beer, whiskey and rum. These are the best examples of the product which are produced using microorganisms. And the second thing is the harmful side, which is a very dangerous side for human beings. Recently you would have known that a lot of people got COVID virus, which is a microorganisms again. So this harmful side of the bacteria is very dangerous for human being, and it also create a lot of diseases to human beings, and sometimes it creates a skin disease or irritation kind of things. So these are the difference of qualities which a microorganism has. So the next thing is a quality control. So why we need to check the quality control of the product? So like as I said before, a lot of bacteria, the harmful side of the bacteria will create food to spoilage. So in order to stop the spoilage system, we need to check the quality of the food product. So here I've mentioned the term farm to fork, which is starting from harvesting to till the food which is in your plate. So remember that this term is really important. So in between the term, there are different steps were followed. Each and every step has to be a quality check control. It has to be quality maintained. So first thing is a harvesting. So during harvesting, you need to pick a right ingredient. That is a very most important point. So because of the ingredient only, the end quality will align. So remember that during harvesting you need to properly harvest the right ingredient. For example, you need to properly harvest the fully ripened vegetables, fully ripened fruits and vegetables, like kind of thing. So next one is the cleaning, which is a very basic thing. Cleaning has to be properly maintained. Cleaning has to be properly aligned also. So first thing, the cleaning, while cleaning you have to remove the impurities and dirts kind of thing. So second thing is a cutting and peeling. During cutting and peeling, you need to remove the damaged product, I would say. So while purchasing the fruits and vegetable, you will go to the market and will randomly pick the fruits and vegetable and come to home. So after cleaning, you have to remove the damaged products or spotted products. That is the most important point. So followed by processing. So during processing, you need to like certainly follow the GMP and GHP method, which is very most important point. So GHP is known as a good handling practice and GMP is known as a good manufacturing practice. You have to note it. So both the points has to be clearly monitored. If the processing is entirely done properly, the end quality is definitely going to hit the market. So followed by the packaging. Once the process is completely done and it is cooled, so the next step is the packaging thing. So you have to pack your packaging things very tightly, and in airtight containers you have to pack the packaging system. And it has to be non-leakage, it has to be because most of the product is very fragile. So you have to entirely pack the system very safely. So followed by storage conditions. Each and every food product has to be stored at a proper temperature, I would say. So let's take an example of dried products, badam, pistachios and any other dried products. It has to be stored at a room temperature. Room temperature is around 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. So remember that. So dried products always stored at the room temperature, and followed by another side is freezing conditions, which the ice creams and processed meats has to be followed in that storage conditions. So followed by transportation. So transportation is entirely a different thing when compared to other 6 steps. So transportation is something where you carry your food products, processed food products to the locations, the exact location where you give your products to the customer and consumer. It has to be properly aligned, and then transportation. So these are the best 7 methods where you need to check the quality control.